Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video, we are going to discuss the Selenium hands-on question that had been asked in which one May cycle. Okay. So before going to the problem statement, first I would like to conclude some point. So many of you have been asking like, will the exam has question from both Selenium plus Cucumber and Nightwatch? So answer is yes. They are asking Selenium plus Cucumber question also in one problem statement and Nightwatch also in the different problem statement. So there will be two problem statements. First one for Selenium and Cucumber and another one for Nightwatch. Okay. Now, if you are thinking, can I complete both section in 2 hours? Okay, 2 hours will like innovator 2 hours and for digital 1.5 hours. So can it be possible to solve this problem in this time frame? So the answer is no. Okay, why no? Once we discuss this problem statement, you will know. Okay, you will be knowing like why this not be completed in this time frame. Okay, so I have also heard many of you have talked to your TD after the call or after the you can say after the exam. Okay, and you get to know like you have to complete either one. See, I am not brainwashing anyone. Okay, so I'm just if you think practically also now, so you can do either one only. Okay, either you can go with the Selenium part or either you can go with the Night Watch part. Whenever I am saying Selenium, it means Selenium plus Cucumber. Okay, okay, and Night Watch alone. Okay, first we will discuss the scenarios. Okay, how many scenarios are there, and then we will discuss why this is not possible in this time frame, and then we will jump back to our main question. Okay, the first one for Selenium plus Cucumber language, if we are choosing Java, so there are 16 scenarios. Okay, 16 scenarios for Selenium plus Cucumber language is Java, and 12 scenarios for Selenium and Cucumber when language is Python. Okay, so 16 and 12 scenarios in the Selenium plus Cucumber based on the languages. Now, second thing, in Nightwatch, I came to know, okay, there are 34 scenarios. Okay, 34 scenarios. So if you think practically also, okay, if you think practically also, so you can't able to complete this in this time frame. Okay, if you are attempting both, you can't able to do. Okay, again I am saying I am not brainwashing anyone because I know you have a innovator or digital hands-on in upcoming days. Okay, so I am not brainwashing, just what analysis I can do by reading this problem statement. I am just saying my analysis. Okay, if you are capable to complete both, please complete both. Okay, might be I am not aware like how they are evaluating the process, evaluating the result. Okay, what is the evaluation process, I am not aware. Might be they will consider both, might be they will consider either. Okay, so I am not sure, I am not brainwashing anyone, and I am also not suggesting. It's my assumption based on the complexity of problem that you can't able to complete both. Okay, now I hope this is fine. Okay, but if you are again I am saying if you are able to complete both, please attempt both. Okay, do Night Watch and Selenium plus Cucumber also. Any language will be fine, either Python or Java you can choose. Okay, and Night Watch also you can do if you can able to do in this time frame. Okay, so I won't brainwashing anyone. Okay, now jump back to the main problem statement. So let's see what is the main problem assessment there. Okay, so in the problem statement, like they have given one web page. Okay, there is a one web page. Into this web page, we have one search bar. Okay, in that search bar, you have to search yo. Okay, you have to search this text yo, and from where you will get this. So this will be this thing you will get from the problem statement. Okay, now once you search this yo, okay, you will get three suggestions. So first is New York, Tokyo, and Mayotte. See, these suggestions are just I am taking for your reference. Okay, there might be some different drop down suggestions. I'm not aware. I forgot this thing, but Tokyo is there. This I remembered because we have to select this part. That's why. There are two more suggestions. I forgot what is the name, but yeah, you are getting three suggestions. Either you can get four suggestions in your upcoming exam because definitely they are going to change the paper. Okay, okay. So what you have to do, you have to search you will get some suggestions there. From these suggestions you have to select Tokyo. Okay, you have to select the Tokyo, and must remember these suggestions, or you can say this auto suggestive drop down is not made up of select class. Okay, not made up of select class. So you can't use select by visible text or select by index. You can't use this one. Okay, you have to go with different approach. If you are not aware like how to do this one, then please watch Selenium tutorials playlist is already there in the channel. It will hardly 23-24 videos, and there you can search, okay, auto suggestive drop down, and you can see this part. I already handle this thing in my playlist. Okay, now after selecting Tokyo, okay, there you will get one button, view button. Okay, name might be different, that you can get in the problem statement also, but theme is same. Okay, you will get one button, so you have to click on this button. Okay, after selecting Tokyo, you have to click on this button. Once you click on this button, you will get one form in front of you. Okay, one form will be there. Okay, and what you have to type in that form, you have to type email, password, captcha, and then you have to click on login button. Okay, once you click on this login button, you will get one page. Inside the same page, like they are not asking any window handle, so they are not giving any different window. Once you click in login button, you won't get in some different window, you will get in the same tab only. Okay, so there would be in progress tab and booked tab. This name also I forgot. It's a booked or something else. I am not remembering now. But yeah, no need to do with this part. Only you have to understand what is the progress statement, right? So you will get in progress. In progress is fixed. Okay, you will get in progress tab, in which there are list of items, list of countries name. So what you have to do, you have to select one and third, first and third list you have to select. Okay, once you select these two, then you have to click on this delete button. So this is the basic scenario. Okay, so now question is why I am saying like this scenario won't be completed in 2 hours. Okay, because it looks like very simple. Okay, because we don't have any frame, we don't have any window handles, no any scroll and all. Okay, it seems like very small thing, right? Correct. In automation aspect, it is very easy, but if you see the complex part, so complex part is here while reading the captcha, because this captcha, or we can say this captcha is not static. Okay, this is a dynamic. Whenever you are refreshing the page, this captcha will be also going to be changed. So for this instant, I am taking captcha colon 6 minus 5 equals to 2. Equals to what? Okay. So in the same format, you are getting the captcha, but this value and this operator will be going to be changed once you refresh the page. Okay. So whenever you are trying to run your automation script, definitely the new page will be starting. Okay, and then this captcha will be different. So you have to handle this. Okay, this format will be same only. Okay, so this is the complex part. Like if you know the Java coding, okay, then definitely you will be able to do this part. Okay, because this time they are not focusing on the automating this thing. They are also focusing on like how your Java knowledge is. Okay, or how your Python knowledge is. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is a complex part where most of us, okay, stuck in this captcha part. Okay, and if you do this also, there will be a chances of something error. Something definitely will be a chances. So that's why I'm saying, see, you can't able to complete this scenario into the particular given time frame. Okay, based on my analysis. Okay, but if you are able to do this one, definitely you have to move to that second problem statement and complete your night watch path as well. Okay, now, so I hope this is clear to you guys. So question part is fine. Now we will go and see how we can handle this captcha. Okay, how we can able to handle this captcha, we will see. So for this one, I am just handling the captcha only. Okay, because already you know all the basic syntax of Selenium and all. So how to read the captcha only, or how to handle the captcha only, we are going to see here. So for example, I am taking string, okay, and give str, okay, and I am giving this value. Okay. For instance, suppose we are getting this value, and how you will get this value? So you will get this value by dot get text. Okay, once you give dot get text there onto this captcha field, okay, right click insert or dot get text if you do, so you will get this one. And I told you, right, this format will be same, means captcha colon 6 minus 5, only this value will be changed, numbers and operator will be changed, rest all will be same. Okay, rest always same. So it might be 6 minus 5, or sometimes like 6 into 5 or 1 into 1, anything. Okay, so either it will be addition, either subtraction, multiplication or division. So whenever I have refreshed, so most of the time I have seen addition, subtraction and multiplication only, not division. But yeah, we will handle that part as well. Okay, so let's see. For example, yes, I'm just checking. So whenever I did the get text, I got this part. Okay, so how to handle this one? Okay, see, first you have to know one thing. You have to know one thing, like this is the fixed. This is a fixed. It means after column there will be one number, then one operator, and then another number, right? So first we will convert this string into character array. Okay, so how to convert? So we have to write char. We have to give array symbol. Okay, we have to give some name. So I'm giving captcha. Okay, equals to str my string name dot to char array, to char array. So this will help us to convert from string to character array. Okay, character array. Fine. Now what we have to do? We have to grab this element 6, we have to grab this element 5, and then we have to grab this operator, and based on this operator we will do the calculation of this number, right? Okay, see, I am just taking int num1. I'm just taking first number first. Okay, so int num1, it should be captcha this variable, and index it will be fixed only, right? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 8th index we have number 6. Okay, okay, same thing I will copy, okay, and paste here. Okay, num2. Now this is an integer, this is a no, not 8, it would be 10. Okay? It would be 10. Okay, here 8 is 6, then one operator 9, and then another value or another number will be at position 10. Now this is string, or we have converted to the character of array, but this is still character, this is not a integer value. So to convert the string into the integer, what we have to do? We have to convert it. So we will giving minus, okay, 0 as a string we are passing. Same for this one. Okay, so here we are converting this into the integer number. Okay, integer number. Okay, now print it. System dot out dot println. Okay, num1 and num2. Okay, let's see, run it. Okay, sorry, my bad. Now you can see, right, here I am getting 6, here I am getting 6, but here I am getting 48, because if you see this one, so this is printing the ASCII value. So once we want to get the actual value, we have to subtract the ASCII value of 0. Okay, so that we will get the integer value. Now run it again. So now we will get 6 and 5, and these two are integer format, in integer format. Okay, now till here I think it's clear to you. Now we require this one also, operator also. So for this one we will take one character, okay, and then we will give it name as operator, character operator. Okay, equals to, at what position it will be? It will be at position 9. Okay, it will be at position 9. How? So at position 6, then 9, and then 10. Okay, so 9th position we have a operator. So here I am not subtracting. Why not subtracting? Because I just want as a character only. Okay, as a character only. Now what we will do? We will do the calculation to get this value. What would be the value of this particular we can say operator? Okay, particular arithmetic operation. Okay, so for this one, like we will take one variable int result where we will store our value. So as of now I am just giving 0. Okay, now we are giving condition if operator if operator, okay, equals to what? First we will see negative, or we can say subtraction. If you get this one, so what we have to do? We have to get this result. Okay, and in this result what we will do? We will subtract. Okay, we will subtract num1 minus num2. Okay, num1 minus num2 we will do. Okay, again, else if, okay, else if operator equals to for example I am just taking addition. Okay, addition, then what we have to do? We have to do n1 plus n2. Okay, we have to do n1 plus m2 plus m2. Okay, n1 plus n1 means num1 plus num2. Okay, again I will copy this part and pasting twice. Okay, one for multiplication, if we get this multiplication num1 into num2, and for division n1 division n2. And now we have to print this value also, right? We have to print this value also. So we will do system dot out dot print ln. Okay, this value. This value. Okay, so I will copy this one. So no need to print, but we have to use this value, right? We have to use this value, right? So like currently we are not doing the automation part here. We are just calculating the captcha. So for instance, just I am showing you. Okay, what will be the value? Like we are getting the current value or not? Sorry, correct value or not? Okay, and this one. This one. So now save it. Not save it. Just run it. Okay, we have some error. I think. Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, sorry. Actually, like we have to print this value, right? So like, give me control it. We'll do the control. Actually, we don't need to print there. Okay, no need to print there. We have forgot. We have to print here. Okay? So just give the here value and then just give result. Just now copy this part. Okay. Now run it. Still we have some error at line 21. Okay, equals to is missing here. Anything else? Equals to is missing here. Equals to is missing here. And equals to is missing here. Why we are getting this error? Equals to this one. Okay, sorry, not this quotes. Only we have to give inside the single quotes. Okay. Okay. Now fine. Okay. Now you are getting right. We are printing this value. We can comment out this part as well. We can comment out this part as well. Now run it. So once you run it, you will get this one. Now, for example, like when we refresh this page, as I told you, right, this is a web page, and once you refresh this page, you will get some different captcha. So, just you have got captcha like 4, and this operator also got changed into 5. For example, we are getting this 4 into 5. Then again run it. We will check like we are getting 20 or not. So we are getting 20. Okay. So what you have to do now? You have to get this result value. Okay, and then you have to uh, get this web element, and then you have to, by using the send keys, you have to paste this result value to this field. Okay, and then you have to click on login button, and then rest thing you have to do. So this is a complex part. Like see here, you can see like this is a very simple, but at that time, okay, when we are doing this one, it seems like very difficult. Okay, might be like if you are a very good coder, or if you have a good knowledge of Java or Python, you can able to do this. Okay, but yeah, this is the thing which I feel like this is a complex part, because you can see like they are not focusing on the automation testing here. They are focusing, but they are also equally focusing on the logic building as well. Okay, so this is a logic building thing. Okay, how you are thinking and how you are getting this result, and then how you are passing this result value into this captcha value, and then you are clicking on this login button. Okay, so this is only taking time. Rest all, I could say like this is the automation expert. This is a like complex. Okay, okay. If you remove this one, then it is easy. But yeah, if you are getting this captcha and handling this captcha, and then again you are doing the other operation, then it seems like some complex part. Okay, so I hope this is clear, guys. Okay, so you can watch this video fully. Don't skip. Again, I am saying if you are not able to grab this for the single time, again go and watch this, rewatch this video. Okay, and be prepared. And all the best for your upcoming hands-on. Okay, so thank you. We'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.